Hey everyone, and welcome back to Mary's Creative Decor. You're looking at all the pieces that I've been commissioned to change today. I have a client and she has changing her look in her home and she wants me to update these pieces to go with her new furniture. Her new colors are silver, white, and purple. Now, I don't want to do everything with the color purple, so I'm going to be doing most of the pieces in silver and some in silver and white. I will be adding some purple accents, but not a lot. So the first thing I have is these bowls. They're plastic. I have this cambrelata. It is wooden. So I think I'm going to make that silver. And this vase, I'm going to do in a two-tone. This one is glass in the front, and this one is that plastic as well. So since this larger one is more of a floor vase, and I really want to put a design on it, I'm going to follow the design on the vase. I'm going to take the black teardrops, I'm going to tape them off and make that design going around the vase. And then on the smaller one, I'll take it and I'll tape it off as well, a design. So I have all with me to do this. I have some Rust-Oleum primer in white, primer and paint in white, and I have my silver metallic paint by Rust-Oleum. So I don't want to waste time. I'm going to use my tape to tape it off, but before I do that, let's use the zap that I have here, and I'm going to use a paper towel, and I want to clean these vases off. Now that I've cleaned off my pieces, I'm going to take this damp cloth and I'm just want to wipe away the cleaner. And of course, you do this to make sure your paint will adhere. Now that everything's clean, I'm ready to start taping off my design. Now, once again, I'm going to use the black outline because it has like a long teardrop shape. And I'm going to take my tape and tape that section out. This is the section that I want to be white. I'm going to continue taping off these shapes. I'm going to take it outside and spray paint it with my white paint. I'm going to do the same thing to the small vase and come right back. The other vases are drying, and while I have my white paint out, I want to go ahead and paint the inside of these bowls. I'm going to spray paint them with the white paint. The white paint on my vase is dry, and I'm just going to remove the tape. So if you're wondering why I'm being careful with the tape, rather than trash it, I'm going to save it and retape it when I'm ready to cover up the white portion to paint the rest silver. And here's a quick peek at the design. So I went ahead and taped up the white portion of my vase. And I made sure that everything is even and also tight. Now I did the same thing to my round vase. I taped off the top part that was painted white. I'm going to paint everything in the silver that's taped off, the candelabra, and this vase, and we'll return. I am back. My vases are dry, and now I'm going to put my glasses on and begin to remove the tape. Oh no! The tape is peeling off some of the paint, but that's okay. I'll just be careful pulling it off, and we could do touch-up paint. And here is what it's looking like. I just need to do some touch-ups on the white paint. And now I want to pull the paper off the smaller one. Now this piece came out really pretty. But you know me, I'm going to have to embellish it just a little bit. I have this gold self-adhesive ribbon left over from another project. Now I want to use this to go around my vase. The ribbon is a bit too wide to go around the vase like I wanted to, so I'm just going to fold it in half and reduce the size. On the larger vase, I want to take this chain bling here and I want to go around the white, I don't know, what do you call these, teardropped areas. And I'm going to use my E6000 to glue it on. I'm going to go ahead and get all the bling wrap added to the designs, and we'll come back. Now here we are with the final vase, the glass one. Now I wasn't going to embellish it, but I decided to add a little purple to something since that's the color she's using in her room. So I've cut it into single strips, and I just want to embellish in between each of the curves. I have 2 side strips, one the full length and one half of that. I want to put the shorter one in between each raised portion and the longer one on the raised portion. Now I don't know if I said that right, but you'll see as I do it. I'm going to get all of this purple bling on, and we'll come back to see them all on display. I think all of my pieces turned out absolutely beautiful. Now I did take some things I had around the house to add to the displays. I used the silver picks, I used the purple flowers, and I also had some balls that I added to one of the bowls. To the candle holder, I did have 3 extra candles that I put colors and beads on and added the other 2 just to show you how you can dress it up. Again, everything is just beautiful. So if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And don't forget that notification bell so you'll know when I upload new videos. I want to say thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye now.